Good morning, friends. Today we will find out Jordan canonical form of a matrix A. A equal to, this is the matrix, A equal to 1 0 1 minus 1 1 3 minus 1 0 3. In this lecture, we will follow two steps for finding Jordan canonical form. In first step, we will find out characteristic polynomial of a matrix A, and in second step we will find out minimal polynomial of a matrix A. We know that minimal polynomial has important role for representation of Jordan canonical form of a matrix. In this lecture we will use step first for finding characteristic polynomial and step second for finding minimal polynomial, and with the help of minimal polynomial we will find the Jordan canonical form for this matrix. Okay, in our previous lecture we know that geometric multiplicity of an eigenvalue tells us about the number of blocks with respect to the eigenvalue, and the minimal polynomial tells us about the order of Jordan block with respect to the particular eigenvalue. Okay, so the important point of this lecture is the process for finding the Jordan canonical form. Okay friends, let us start from step first. Okay, this is step first. Find characteristic polynomial of matrix A. This is the process for finding characteristic polynomial of a matrix A, in which we are using the determinant lambda I minus A equal to 0, where lambda is the eigenvalue of this matrix. And after solving this matrix, we have the characteristic polynomial is lambda minus 1 and lambda minus 2 to the power 2, which shows that we have three eigenvalues, lambda equal to 1, lambda equal to 2 and lambda equal to 2, where algebraic multiplicity of lambda equal to 1 is 1 and the algebraic multiplicity of lambda equal to 2 is 2. In step second, the minimal polynomial of the characteristic polynomial CHA lambda is, the minimal polynomial may be lambda minus 1, lambda minus 2 or lambda minus 1, lambda minus 2 to the power 2. If lambda minus 1, lambda minus 2 satisfy Cayley-Hamilton theorem, then it is minimal polynomial, otherwise the second is the minimal polynomial of this matrix. For verification of the minimal polynomial, first we verify the Cayley-Hamilton theorem for polynomial first and polynomial second. For polynomial first, if we put a at the place of lambda, then a minus I, a minus 2i, a minus 1 iota and a minus 2 iota, where iota is the unit matrix and a is the matrix. A minus iota is this. When we subtract matrix A from identity matrix, then the resultant matrix is this. Similarly, the second matrix A minus 2 iota is this. After multiplying matrix A and 2, we have the matrix is this, which is not a zero matrix. So first polynomial does not satisfy Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Its mean first polynomial is not a minimal polynomial. That is, the second polynomial is the minimal polynomial of this matrix. Okay, the second polynomial is the minimal polynomial of this matrix. Okay friends, the minimal polynomial is lambda minus 1, lambda minus 2 to the power 2, and we know that the minimal polynomial shows lambda minus 1 shows that in Jordan canonical form we have only one block of order 1 with respect to lambda equal to 1, and for lambda equal to 2 the maximum order of the block is order 2. The maximum order of the block is order 2, and we have only one block with respect to lambda equal to 2. Okay, it's mean the Jordan canonical form of this matrix is 1. This is only one block with order 1 for lambda equal to 1, and 2, 2 and 1, this is other Jordan block for lambda equal to 2. Okay, this is the Jordan canonical form of the matrix. Okay friends, this is the process for finding Jordan canonical form of a matrix. Okay, thank you.